Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 17th day of November 2025. Welcome. The setup is pretty much the same as it is every day here. We're looking for our strong candle indicator, which is this little red arrow right here, pointing in the direction that we want to trade. It says, take this candle in the direction I tell you to trade, and you will make money. It's amazing how accurate that indicator is. It's only available at samuraidaytrading.com. So that's the setup. We're in a very big short today, all day. We've tried to push up. The buyers have. They just can't get anything done. They turn around. We get this massive, um, strong candle going the other way. So we're going to go with the trend and with the step. We're going to let this retrace a little bit, and then we're going to take it down. Now, you notice the market's really, really hot. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 140 to 200 ticks long. We should have a longer ATM on here, but my understanding is that if we show exactly what happened and make too much money, that we get, you know, YouTube looks at us a little bit funny. So we're going to keep everything lower than what actually happened in the room. And so the ATM we're going to use is our usual one of 16s, 31s. We're going to throw a 91 tick runner out there and go that way. Now, it went a lot better in the room, but we'll just use this for other reasons. So there's a strong candle trade short. Let the next candle push up a little bit, and we will sell it down. Beautiful. So the first thing we're going to do when we get picked up is put our stop where it belongs. And then we're just going to let the trade run its course. So the stop goes all the way up here. This first candle's out. Now, there we go. Our stop came down to break even. If this comes up and takes us out of, here it is, takes us out of break even, yeah. We can go ahead and enter again. And the ATM is meant to keep us out of trades that go the other way. So we just get our first targets taken out. We set up a real short stop for a break-even trade. If it breaks even, I have the opportunity to get back in again if I so desire. So here we go. Our second entry in, we haven't quite gotten the big retrace like we're used to, so we just need to let that happen. Well, we can go ahead and speed this up a little bit. We don't have to take all day. Pretty simple trade. Sometimes you just have to wait for the retrace. A lot of times that'll make a lot of new traders nervous because the market's going against them. It's just a natural part of what happens in trades. A lot of times we like to wait for that retrace before we enter, but in this case, it just retraced a little bit, picked this up, and wasn't finished mucking around, as they say. We've already been in this once. Now, if the same thing happens again, where it takes us out, that we can't lose money now. We can only make money. And there's our 90 tick target. Boom. All right, that trade took less than 4 minutes and was worth 810 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 810 US dollars in less than 9 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator. When used properly, it is very, very consistent. So we look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Come join us in the live trading room. And until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.